So we've had one or two inquiries about how to fold the wing on the QuikR and the GTR safely without putting holes in the sail, things like that. So I thought I'd just give you a quick demonstration of how that's done. First thing you will need to do, I'd suggest before you start, is put the propeller blade vertical or nearly so. If you have a proper propeller cover, then put it on. If you are on a cross country and you need to fold your wing, then just put a glove over the prop blade tip. It's pretty sharp. Since I've got one, I will put on a blade protector. Just do that now. And the next thing is that you will need your rigging tool, which is this thing here, which you should carry with you. Okay, so inserting the rigging tool, like so, and then undo the little, what we call the nappy pin. Connect your rigging tool, put the nappy pin through the pin on the rigging tool. Make sure that's secure. If it comes off, obviously the wing will detension rather rapidly, so carefully slacken off the tension until you've got a reasonable amount of slack. So we dropped off the tension a bit, and then safety the rope by putting it through the jam cleat nice and firmly. And then I normally wrap a couple of times round there to ensure that it's not going to slip out of the cleat. Now when you're folding the wing, it's important to put the brake on, parking brake on, and secure the base bar to the front strut with Velcro like that. It's convenient to have a little strip of Velcro on the middle of your control bar. So to fold the wing on the QuikR or GTR, you need to remove at least 3 battens, top and bottom, each side. So I'll do that now. I'll start with the undersurface battens. So just pull those out, and it's convenient just to pop them in the trike like that if you're overnighting somewhere. So 1, 2, 3 is the minimum. Obviously you can take more battens out if you want. So having removed the undersurface battens, I'm now going to remove the top ones. The sail is slack enough to enable you to pull them out without bending the battens out of shape. Remove these top surface battens. I'm just going to feed them into the nose of the trike using the cambered end to go into the nose. They sit in there quite neatly like that. And then you can put your trike cover on and you're all secure overnight. So we're now ready to fold the wing, and it's probably easier with 2 people, but if you're on your own you can still do it. The wing will tend to fold back on its own due to its weight and the angle it's at. So what I do is I slacken the tension off, and the trailing edges are going to come up like that, so they kind of fold vertically. So gently let it go, and then what you must do is grab the trailing edge here, that one, and push them both up, so that the trailing edges come together like that. And you'll see the reason for the propeller protection. It's up against the sail, so that's why you need a bag or a glove over the tip. And that's it. Okay, so the wing's now folded, the wings have come back, the trailing edge is pushed up like that, and the wings are now together like that. And you have to be a bit careful, if you're leaving it in windy weather, the battens will tend to rub on the trailing edge. So it's a good idea to put some padding between the battens here. But then you can tie the wingtips down to the ground and the trike, point it into wind, and then that's quite satisfactory if you know where the wind is coming from. If you are going to leave it for a long time, or you don't know what's going to happen with the wind, then take more battens out and reef the sail. When folded, it's now quite compact, quite narrow, suitable for storage in a barn or a hangar, or to tie down overnight if you're out touring somewhere.